In a lush, verdant forest, there lived a humble Caecilian, named Seraph, known for his wisdom and serenity. One day, a great drought struck the forest, leaving it parched and barren. Seraph, the Caecilian, pondered the fate of his home. He knew the forest needed rain, but he had no powers to bring it. The choice he made would determine the future of his home. One day, he heard a whispering wind, leading him to a mysterious stone at the heart of the forest. The stone was unlike any he had ever seen, gleaming with an ethereal light. Seraph touched the stone, and a vision came to him. He saw the forest as it was, barren and lifeless. But he also saw a future where the forest was lush and green once more, teeming with life. The vision was a test, a choice between despair and hope. Seraph knew what he had to do. He decided to carry the stone back to his home, hoping it would bring the rain. The journey was long and arduous, but Seraph carried the stone with determination. Days turned into nights, and nights into days, but he never faltered. Upon reaching his home, he placed the stone in the center of the forest. The next morning, the forest woke up to a gentle rain, quenching the parched earth. The rain brought life back to the forest, and Seraph's home flourished once more. The Caecilian had chosen hope over despair, and it brought about a new beginning. The tale of Caecilian Seraph is a reminder that even the smallest creatures can make the biggest difference. It teaches us that hope can turn despair into a new beginning, and that every choice we make has a profound impact on our world.